Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Danielle's Creative Art. Sorry it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but today I'm back and I'm doing an unboxing of the March Archer and Olive subscription box. It says, a quiet walk outside, feel the ground beneath your feet and observe the plant life all around you. Imagine all they have felt, seen, and heard. If they only could tell you their stories, no matter the season. There is life to breathe in and messages along your path. It's up to you to realize and record these notes from nature. I've already watched the spoilers and I just couldn't help myself, and it looks absolutely amazing. So let's get into the unboxing. Wow, it all looks so cool. So first, this is about the box and what's in it. This is from Notes from Nature. There's always flowers for those who want to see them. And then we have a fountain pen, so let's open that up. Ooh, wow. That's really pretty. I don't think I've ever used one of these before, so I'm excited. Has Archer and Olive logo on it. Cool. And with the pen, you have to have ink, so they also give you some ink for your fountain pen. Ooh, wow. Cool. So you get 3 beautiful colors. This looks like green, and you get a dark blue, and then you also get a light blue. So cool. I love the gold on there too, on the packaging. And I may have to watch a video because I don't think I've ever done this, so on how to fill the fountain pen. So, and then I love the acrylographs. So you get a set of acrylographs. They are 7mm. And they are just 0.7. Great for layering and blending. Works on desk surfaces too. And you get Calia Lily, Antique Ivory, Shady Lane, English Clover, and Deep Ivy. I think they have labels too, so you can label them. Oops, can't get them out. Yep, you get labels to label your acrylographs. And those look really pretty. And then we have the scalloped edge ruler. Oops. Sorry for the technical difficulties. I love the packaging too. Oops. Ooh, that's really pretty. I think I'm just gonna leave it on there for right now, but I love that. And then the next item is the washi tapes, and in the unboxing I saw this and I love washi tape. Wow. So you get 4 big rolls of washi. Ooh, that's really pretty. So you get this one, this one, ooh, this one, and this one. Let me see if I have a white piece of paper we can swatch it. I should have had it ready for the video, but actually I'm gonna take it out of an Archer and Olive. There we go. Okay. So let's first start with this one. Ooh. See, make sure you can still see. Ooh, that's really pretty. Actually, move this box out of the way off to the side so There we go. Zoom in just a little bit. There. So here's the first. I love that. And then next, let's do this one. Oh, that's so cool. Ooh, there's also music notes. Let's watch that too. I'm a washi fanatic. Oops. I didn't mean to rip it like that, but it looks cool. Let's look at this one too. Oopsies. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Just messed that one up, but... Ooh, I love it. But I think I'm going to have to flip it over. That's cool. A bit more from that one too. That is really cool. And then the last one, I'll just fold it over. Ooh, I love the butterflies. So awesome. I love that you got 4 big rolls of washi in there. Oops, I just got it closed. And then the next item is a notebook, and I love the packaging. Especially with gold foil. And now I save my boxes, even though I don't always know what I'm going to use it for. But okay. Here we go. Wow, it's even prettier in person. Oh my gosh, with that gold foil accents. Whoa. I love that shade of green. It's beautiful, and the spine is beautiful. I'm actually going to be getting into drawing trees soon with my art teacher, so this is going to be a lot of fun. I may even use this book for it. Oh, and then you have your bookmarks. I love that shade of green too. It's really pretty. And this is 160 pages of dark gray paper. I think this is a B6 size, I think. Really pretty. Let's do the next notebook next. I mean, yeah. Oops. Again, I love the packaging. Here we go. Wow. Oh, I love how it feels. Really smooth. Again, with gold foil accents. Oh, and the back is like debossed. Whoa. Oh, these are the edges they were talking about. It's like distressed. That's so cool. Oh, and then there's gold foil accents in the notebook. That's so cool. It's like an off-white. So, oops, there's your bookmarks with the A&O logo. And then you have a pocket in the back for stickers or whatever. Oh, and there's a beautiful spine on this one too. So pretty. This 192 pages of this one, 160 GSM. And then we have some stickers. They're matte finish stickers. I don't want to tear the packaging, but I just don't want to tear it. Ah. There we go. Ooh. Cool. These are like clear stickers. Oops. Force of ideas. Plan your own path. Nurture your plans. Every leaf tells a story. Explore the wild within you. In the quiet, nature speaks. Reflect on progress. Explore, dream, discover. There's more, but you get 2 of these beautiful stickers. I love flowers. And the last item is a sketchbook. I'm really excited about this one too because I'm going to use it for my art classes. And I had the best teacher ever. And he's an amazing friend and mentor. So I think I'm going to use this at my upcoming lesson actually this week. We're drawing abstract trees, so I'm excited. Another beautiful box, you know. Wow. This is pretty in person too. I love it. Take a look inside. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Very thick paper. And you also get bookmarks. And then you get a little pocket in the back. And it's like, I love that leaf on there too. Really cool. Now let's see if I can figure out how to get it back wrapped around. And I think it was tucked in like that. Yep. So I think that's, yep. Has everything in this, yeah, this one has 112 pages. And so that's everything in the Archer and Olive subscription box. You should definitely check out this box. And I'm going to affiliate with Archer and Olive, and I'll put my link in the description box below. You get 10% off, and our link and code is used to earn a small commission. So thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more crafty videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.